Netra 5 is a state-of-the-art tactical drone developed by IdeaForge, built to excel in critical missions involving defense, surveillance, and disaster response. Weighing less than 8 kilograms, it is remarkably lightweight yet engineered for maximum durability and performance, making it ideal for rapid deployment in high-pressure environments. Within just 3 minutes, the drone is airborne and ready to carry out its mission, whether in conflict zones, remote terrains, or disaster-struck areas. What makes Netra 5 exceptional is its powerful combination of AI-driven features, including advanced object detection and real-time tracking that allow it to identify and follow targets with pinpoint accuracy. Whether during the day or in complete darkness, its dual electro-optical and infrared sensors ensure crystal-clear imaging and operational reliability. The drone also boasts a modular payload system, giving it the flexibility to carry various mission-specific tools like precision drop mechanisms and LRS modules. Designed to resist jamming and operate even in GPS-denied environments, Netra 5 remains fully functional in the most challenging conditions. It intelligently navigates complex terrain with its smart obstacle avoidance system, reducing the risk of collisions and enhancing mission safety. With a solid track record of more than 5,000 successful flights, it has proven its reliability time and again. Its encrypted live streaming capability ensures secure data transmission, while its rugged, all-weather design makes it dependable in rain, wind, or dust. Netra 5 isn't just a drone, it's a versatile, intelligent, and battle-ready system that significantly enhances operational efficiency and provides a tactical edge when it matters most. The new Brno main station is set to become a landmark in Czech architectural history, following the largest design competition ever held in the country. Chosen from among 46 international submissions, the winning proposal comes from Dutch firms Bentham Crewell Architects and West 8, both recognized for their work on major infrastructure projects such as Rotterdam Central Station. Their vision for Brno is not just about constructing a transportation facility, it's about redefining the urban fabric. The station is designed to serve as a multimodal hub, seamlessly integrating 14 platforms for both high-speed and local trains, alongside a comprehensive public transit network, including trams, city buses, a regional bus terminal with 40 stops, and even a future metro station. Bicycle and car parking facilities are also thoughtfully included, ensuring smooth connectivity across all forms of transit. What sets this design apart is its dual purpose. It functions as a state-of-the-art transport center, while also acting as a catalyst for the development of an entirely new district within the city. The architecture references historic public buildings, maintaining a strong connection to Brno's character, while introducing modern, efficient infrastructure. With an emphasis on public space and urban integration, this station will become more than a point of transit. It will be a new civic heart for Brno, connecting people, neighborhoods, and opportunities for generations to come. Odessa's vision for Expo 2030 is not just an event proposal. It is a powerful declaration of cultural unity, innovation, and sustainable progress. Unveiled at the 171st General Assembly of the Bureau International des Expositions in Paris, the bid reflects the essence of a city long known for its multicultural identity and global connections. Odessa is more than a location. It is a symbol of humanity's shared past and future. Visitors to Ukraine in 2030 will not simply step into one city's showcase. They will immerse themselves in an experience that resonates with the energy, creativity, and spirit of the entire world. The proposal aligns with Ukraine's broader national strategy to transform its economy through clean, low-carbon technologies and greater energy efficiency. At the heart of the Expo's design is a deep commitment to long-term impact and environmental responsibility. Crafted by the renowned Zaha Hadid architects, the master plan ensures that every structure and facility created for the event will be seamlessly reused once the Expo concludes. This commitment addresses one of the most pressing challenges faced by large-scale global events: avoiding waste and underutilization. Odessa's approach envisions a future where nothing is left behind, where innovation serves both the event and the generations that follow. It's a blueprint for an expo that honors its purpose while laying the foundation for a resilient, inclusive, and forward-looking society. Fuse Valley, a visionary new development just 7 kilometers from the heart of Porto, is being hailed as the Portuguese Silicon Valley, a dynamic hub designed to foster innovation, collaboration, and community. Spanning an impressive 178,000 square meters, this ambitious project is the result of a collaboration between renowned architecture firm BIG, the Castro Group, and fashion e-commerce giant Farfetch, which will establish its new headquarters within the site. Farfetch's base alone will be composed of 12 interconnected buildings, symbolizing the project's emphasis on interconnectedness and synergy across all sectors. In total, Fuse Valley will consist of 24 buildings, housing a wide range of tech companies, startups, and service providers. But what truly sets this development apart is its architectural philosophy, one rooted in creating a vibrant, human-centered environment. The master plan carefully integrates public plazas, green parks, open courtyards, rooftop gardens, and terraces that flow organically with the hillside terrain. Pedestrian paths weave through the complex, mimicking the natural contours of the landscape and inviting people to connect with nature as they move through the space. Rather than feeling like a corporate campus, Fuse Valley aims to be a living, breathing village where work and leisure coexist. It represents a forward-thinking approach to urban development, where innovation flourishes not only through technology, but also through thoughtful design and a deep connection to place. SciFly is pushing the boundaries of drone technology with its new generation of long-endurance drones, setting a revolutionary benchmark in the aerial tech space. Engineered for high-demand missions, these drones bring unmatched efficiency and reliability to industries such as surveillance, agriculture, mapping, and delivery. One of their standout features is their ability to remain airborne for extended periods without the need for frequent recharging, allowing them to cover large distances seamlessly and carry out continuous operations with minimal downtime. This endurance is critical in applications like real-time environmental monitoring, precision farming, where crop data must be constantly tracked, and wide-scale mapping projects where consistent coverage is essential. SciFly's drones are built with a focus on durability and precision, ensuring they can operate reliably even in remote, rugged, or difficult-to-access areas. Their advanced engineering allows for accurate data collection and delivery, significantly enhancing operational outcomes. These drones aren't just tools, they represent a significant advancement in the way aerial tasks are approached. With their blend of endurance, smart performance, and adaptability, SciFly's latest innovations empower industries to execute complex missions more efficiently and intelligently than ever before, signaling a major leap forward in the evolution of drone-assisted operations. NARMA is reshaping the future of drone delivery by introducing a groundbreaking innovation, the world's first electric dual tilt-rotor drone, known as the AF-100. Developed with cutting-edge aerospace expertise from Korea's Carry, this drone merges the capabilities of vertical takeoff and landing with the ability to travel long distances at high speeds. This rare combination opens the door to a wide range of critical uses, including urgent deliveries, medical emergencies, agricultural tasks, and surveillance missions. The AF-100 model is specifically optimized for rapid deployment in life or death scenarios, such as the delivery of defibrillators to save cardiac arrest patients in remote or crowded areas. NARMA's drone family also includes the AF-200, designed as a flying ambulance, aimed at inter-hospital medical transportation, where every minute is crucial. These drones are not confined to labs. They are already being implemented in real-world situations across the United States, Kenya, South Africa, and Indonesia. Backed by global partners and organizations like Kika, NARMA is not merely producing high-tech aircraft. They are creating a future where intelligent, autonomous aerial systems can respond faster than any ground-based service. Through these advances, they are laying the groundwork for a new era of smart, life-saving logistics that can transform how essential goods and services are delivered across the globe. Introducing the Slate Truck, an innovative and affordable electric pickup that's poised to shake up the EV market. Designed by Slate Auto and backed by Jeff Bezos, this unique vehicle is built with practicality and simplicity at its core. Unlike most high-tech electric trucks that come with hefty price tags, the Slate Truck focuses on the essentials and starts at just $20,000 after incentives. Its design is intentionally minimal, featuring manual crank windows, a bare interior with no infotainment system, and an unpainted exterior body that adds to its rugged appeal. But don't let its simplicity fool you. Under the hood, it houses a powerful 201 horsepower electric motor that allows it to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 8 seconds. With a driving range of up to 240 miles depending on the battery option, it's more than capable for daily commutes and weekend adventures. One of its most standout features is its modularity. Owners can transform the 2-seat pickup into a 5-seat SUV using Smart Swim 2 is redefining how swimmers experience their training sessions, introducing a new era of performance-driven technology right inside your goggles. These next-generation augmented reality swim goggles display real-time data such as distance, elapsed time, and heart rate directly in your field of vision, allowing swimmers to stay completely focused without needing to pause or glance at a smartwatch or clock. With its more streamlined design and enhanced eye seals, Smart Swim 2 not only offers improved comfort, but also ensures a secure fit even during intense training. The inclusion of a built-in heart rate monitor on the strap adds another layer of precision, enabling swimmers to monitor their exertion level and optimize each session for peak results. These goggles are fully compatible with both iOS and Android devices, allowing users to sync their workouts seamlessly through the Form app. Integration with fitness platforms like Strava makes it easy to track progress, compare sessions, and stay connected with fellow athletes. Whether you're a competitive swimmer aiming to shave seconds off your time or a recreational user looking to train smarter and stay motivated, Smart Swim 2 brings a powerful combination of data, comfort, and cutting-edge innovation, making every lap more informed and efficient than ever before. The Snake robot is a remarkable example of how nature-inspired design can revolutionize modern technology. Developed by leading researchers from ETH Zurich and the University of Southern Denmark, this highly flexible machine is built to mimic the natural movements of a real snake, allowing it to slither through the most inaccessible and hazardous spaces imaginable. Its serpentine motion makes it ideal for navigating tight pipelines, collapsed buildings, and unstable terrains, places where traditional robots and human rescuers simply cannot go. What makes it especially suited for high-risk environments is its soft, spark-free exterior, combined with pneumatic actuators, which enable it to move safely in areas that may contain flammable gases or unstable debris. This Snake robot is more than just an impressive piece of engineering. It's a life-saving tool for critical missions. It can be deployed in search and rescue operations, where it crawls through rubble to locate and possibly assist trapped victims. It's also incredibly useful for industrial inspections, such as assessing damage in compromised structures or delivering sensors deep into explosive zones where human presence would be far too dangerous. By reaching areas that were once deemed inaccessible, this robotic crawler is redefining our approach to disaster response and industrial safety, proving that in the future, some of the most powerful machines won't walk, they'll crawl. In the very core of Chicago, the State and Lake Elevated Station, one of the city's oldest and most heavily used transit points, is set to be transformed through a bold and thoughtful revitalization plan. More than just a functional upgrade, the project reimagines the station as a vibrant cultural landmark and an inviting gateway into downtown. Serving 6 out of Chicago's 8 primary train lines, this station is a critical intersection for thousands of daily commuters, seamlessly linking them to bus lines and pedestrian corridors. The proposed design doesn't just aim to modernize transit, it seeks to enrich the city's identity and improve urban life. Key enhancements will focus on accessibility, safety, and comfort, creating a space that is both efficient and welcoming. The architects have shown sensitivity to the site's historical significance by incorporating elements of the original station into the new design, forging a tangible connection between Chicago's past and its future. The use of transparent structural materials ensures that natural light floods the space, promoting a